In this lesson, we're going to be looking at how to find a least common denominator. That is, finding a denominator, or the bottom part of the fraction, in this case 4 and 3, and converting these bottoms so that they're the same, or common. This is generally done so that we can do adding or subtracting with fractions. We also usually, unless you're using benchmarks and kind of using common sense, need to convert them to common denominators in order to order the fractions as well. So let's take a look at this. First thing you need to do is to make a list of multiples for each. So we've got 3 and we've got 4. So we will make a list of multiples for both 3 and 4. Go ahead and do that now. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. Now let's do the same thing for 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4 is 16. And now identify the smallest number that's the same. Well, the smallest number, and in fact in this list we made the only number that's the same, is the number 12. So that will be the denominator that we're going to be switching them into, because 3 can go into 12 and 4 can go into 12. We have to have one that is the same for this to work. So if we go back to our starting example, we now have 3 over 4, and we've already decided that we need to convert it into a fraction that's out of 12. So what do we do to the 4 to get to the 12? We are multiplying. What are we multiplying by? The answer is 3. What you do to the bottom part of the fraction, you have to do to the top. So 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 3 would be 9. So our new fraction is 9 out of 12. Again, it's equal. It has to be equal. They mean the same thing. We're just showing it with two different sets of fractions. Now, if I have my other fraction here, 2 over 3, again, converting it into a fraction of 12. What am I doing here? Multiplying by 4. What I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. I get 8. So, my new fractions with the same denominator now, you can see, are 9 out of 12 and 8 out of 12. Thanks for watching.